didn't know make my joke here. And yes, I'm back again. I'm ready to prank my mom again. I'm basically gonna be acting like I'm coughing all over her food, or I guess coughing all over her food just to get her reaction. I got her college junior. See? I got the food, so I'm be like, I think I'm sick. I'm like, ring it. You gotta ring it twice. Yeah, open that door. Oh, I knew. That's weird. It was in the bathtub. Oh. I was like, that's weird. Yeah. Here.
Quit down there fucking shit, okay? Get down there. Well, not the fuck are you, okay? Fucking girl, shit on my motherfucker.
I think I'm sick.
Stop doing that shit, damn. I'm not playing with you.
My mom is crazy, y'all. I don't know. I might be bleeping some of this out because she don't know how to watch her mouth.
Move downstairs. Do that no more move.
Here, take you some.
Yes, I will. Move down, okay?
Guys, so I got my mom. I think I got her good. So like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, peace from your girl.